Hello everyone. Now worksheet 1, question 1. Question is, which of the following are rational number? We have already done the definition of rational number, means which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equals to 0. So this is the definition of rational number. Now let's see the first part. We have to tell whether these are rational numbers or not. Now minus 3. Tell me whether minus 3 is a rational number? Yes. Why it is a rational number? Because minus 3 we can write it as minus 3 upon 1, where you have to give the proper reason, where minus 3 and 1 are integers and the denominator, what is denominator here? 1. 1 is not equals to 0. So that's why minus 3 is a rational number. Now second part, minus 2 upon 3. Is it a rational number? Yes, this is also a rational number because minus 2 and 3, numerator and denominator, which is in the form of P by Q, are integers and the denominator, what is denominator here? 3, and 3 is not equals to 0. Now come to the third part. Just see the third part. It is 4 upon 0. Is it a rational number? No. Why it is not a rational number? Because the denominator, though the number 4 and Q are integers, though these are integers, but the denominator means Q, which is equals to 0. Okay, and according to the definition of rational number, the denominator should not be equals to 0. Now tell me the fourth one, 0 upon minus 5. Yes, it is a rational number. Why? Because 0 and minus 5 are integers, दोनों integers हैं. And what about the denominator? What is the denominator here? Minus 5. So minus 5 is not equals to 0. That's why the fourth part, 0 upon minus 5, is also a rational number. Second question. In question 2, you have to express these numbers in the form of rational number whose numerator and denominator are given. So here the numerator is minus 5 multiply 4. So it would come as minus 20. And what about the denominator? Denominator is minus 5 plus 4. So this is equals to minus 1. Now you have to write the rational number. So rational number is in the form of P by Q or we can say numerator upon denominator. तो हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे numerator क्या है? minus 20, and what about the denominator? That is minus 1. So this is the answer. Similarly, we can take the second part. Here the numerator is 64 divided by 4. तो इसको हम divide करके देख लेते हैं. So if you will do the division, it goes with 16. It will come as 16. Now the denominator is 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18, so it would come as 14. Now, similarly, we will write this one also. So, rational number is in the form of P by Q, or we can say it can be written as numerator upon denominator. So, numerator is 16 and the denominator is 14. So, this is 16 numerator and the denominator is 14. So, numerator upon denominator, that is 16 upon 14. Question number 3. Question is, which of the following are positive rational number? What are positive rational number? Positive rational number, if it has numerator and denominator are having same sign, means या तो दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव हो, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. Now let's see the first one. Is it a positive rational number? No, it is not a positive rational number because the numerator is negative and the denominator is positive. Second part, is it a positive rational number? Again, its answer is no. Why? Its answer is no because the numerator is positive and the denominator is negative. दोनों के साइन डिफरेंट हैं. 4 by 9, is it a positive rational number? Yes. Why? Because numerator and denominator are having same sign. क्या है यहाँ पे साइन? दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का साइन पॉजिटिव है. What about fourth part? Again its answer is yes. Why it is yes? Because numerator is negative as well as denominator is also negative. Therefore, it is a positive rational number. What about the fifth part? Fifth part is no. Why? Because this is 0. Since 0 doesn't have any sign, neither it is positive nor negative, but the denominator is negative. So, this is also not a positive rational number. Question number 4. In question 4, first part, which integer is neither positive nor negative? ऐसा integer बताइए जो ना तो positive हो ना negative हो. So, what is the answer? 0. 0 is the number which is neither positive nor negative. It is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Second part. Is it necessary that any number written as q by p is also a rational number? अगर p by q को हम q by p लिख दें तो क्या वो भी हमेशा रैशनल नंबर होगा? आंसर वुड बी नो. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. In the example, 0 upon, you can take any number, 0 upon 2 is a rational number. Why it is a rational number? Because numerator and denominator, both of them are integers, and the denominator, that is q, is not equals to 0. But अगर हम इसे रेसिप्रोकल कर दें, रेसिप्रोकल means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become reciprocal. Denominator will become numerator. So it would become, what it would become? 0 upon 2. क्या बन जाएगा ये? 2 upon 0. हमने इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया. तो 2 upon 0, tell me whether it is a rational number after doing the reciprocal? No, is not a rational number. Why it is not a rational number? Because the denominator, because the denominator q equal 0. So that's why it is not a rational number. So it is not always necessary. If p by q is a rational number, then q by p is also a rational number. So by taking this example, you can justify your answer. In question 5, you have to tell whether the given statement is true or false, and if it is false, then you have to justify the answer with example. Justify the answer with example. First part, every whole number is a natural number. क्या सारे होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं? फॉल्स. वाई? बिकॉज अगर आपको याद है, देन होल नंबर्स स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. तो अब क्वेश्चन है, स्टेटमेंट है, क्या सारे होल नंबर, एवरी होल नंबर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर? अब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हैं, दिस 0 इज नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. क्या सारे होल नंबर, ये सारे होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर भी होते हैं? फॉल्स. नहीं होते, बिकॉज 0 इज नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. तो आंसर जस्टिफिकेशन क्या होगा? बिकॉज 0 इज नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. तो क्वेश्चन में है कि क्या सारे होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं? नो. बट इफ वी विल टेक इट इन रिवर्स, एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज ऑल्सो अ होल नंबर. सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स होल नंबर होते हैं, लेकिन सारे होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर्स नहीं होते, बिकॉज 0 इज नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. सेकेंड पार्ट, एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज एन इंटीजर. एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज एन इंटीजर. इट्स आंसर इज ट्रू. व्हाई? बिकॉज नेचुरल नंबर्स आर 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And what about the integer? Integer आपके positive and negative including 0. All of them are integer. So every natural number, देखिए ये 1, 2, 3, 4 क्या integers भी हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So every natural number is also an integer. Third part, every integer is a whole number. क्या सारे integer whole number भी होते हैं? Answer is false. Why? Because integer, as I have discussed right now, integers are negative including 0 and positive numbers. Negative as well as positive numbers. But whole numbers कहाँ से होते हैं? Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So what would be the reason? क्या सारे integer whole number होते हैं? No. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, integers are negative also, but negative numbers are not whole number. ठीक है? So नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आपके होल नंबर नहीं होते. So what would be the reason? Because negative integers, these are the negative integers. Negative integers are not whole numbers. So this is the reason along with the example. Okay. Now, fourth part. Every integer is a rational number. Is it true or false? It is true. Why it is true? Every integer is a rational number. Integer, as we have written it right now, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on both sides. क्या ये सारे इंटीजर्स रैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं? रैशनल नंबर्स मीन्स whether it is in the form of p by q and where q is not equals to 0? Yes, because this -2 can be written as -2 upon 1, -1 can be written as -1 upon 1, 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1 and 2 upon 1. So it is in the form of p by q. You can write all the integers in the form of p by q. अगर हम इसे upon 1 लिख दें तो ये p by q की फॉर्म में आ जाएगा and the denominator is not equals to 0. So that's why every integer is a rational number. Next part. Fifth part is every rational number is a fraction. Every rational number is a fraction. क्या सारे रैशनल नंबर्स फ्रैक्शन होते हैं? आंसर इज फॉल्स. इट्स आंसर इज फॉल्स. व्हाई इट इज फॉल्स? क्वेश्चन में देखिए क्या आ रहा है. एवरी रैशनल नंबर इज अ फ्रैक्शन. अब रैशनल नंबर में तो आपके नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी आते हैं, नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स भी होते हैं, बट फ्रैक्शन इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Fraction is always positive. So every rational number is not always a fraction because अगर हम देखें rational number -2/3 is a rational number, but क्या ये fraction भी है -2/3? No. Because fraction is always positive number. So -2/3 is a rational number, but it is not a fraction. So this is the example. You can, instead of -2/3, you can take any other example also, but in negative. Okay. So the reason will be negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers are not fractions. I think this is clear to all of you. Sixth part. Come to the sixth part. Every fraction is a rational number. क्या सारे fraction rational number होते हैं? Answer is true. सारे fractions आपके rational number होंगे because fraction can be written as 2/3, 5/7, all the positive numbers in the form of p by q, and you can take 4/3 or 4/9, we can take it. So these are fractions as well as rational numbers. numbers. So that's why every fraction is a rational number. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.